In this video, we are going to talk about Bitcoin, how to earn money. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel and ring the bell for our future updates. If that is the question you have been waiting to hear the answer, your wait is ended. We have covered all of the fundamentals of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, and you are now prepared to learn more about money-making opportunities. You will learn how to make money with Bitcoin by following methods listed below, which are the most efficient. Number 10. Bug bounties. The rewards offered by many businesses and software developers for discovering any technical flaws or other vulnerabilities in their systems are a terrific way to make money and increase your earnings. They primarily reward you for keeping their systems up to date. You may also be able to earn Bitcoins by helping to improve their ecosystems for its users. Number 9. Bitcoin Talk forum campaigns. Bitcoin Talk is a platform created by Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. It is one of the most well-known crypto forums, with a large user base. If you're a frequent poster on the Bitcoin Talk forum and a dedicated follower, you could be able to receive paid for each post you make. It will also have your sponsored signature if you get compensated for your articles. Wow! Number 8. Earning through tips. One of the most successful ways to make money with Bitcoin is by assisting others and receiving a small tip in return. If you wish to get Bitcoins as a tip, you can use the Bit4Tip site. As a reward for assisting others and assisting them with various chores online, they may award you BTC. It could entail a variety of responsibilities, such as answering technical inquiries, advertising their products or services, streaming video games, choosing appropriate apparel, and so on. Many sites now include crypto tipping services. All you have to do is look for those platforms and you can earn a lot of money. Number 7. Trading. Many people are making a lot of money by trading Bitcoin. Proficient traders, for the most part, analyze trading charts, research the market, assess external factors, and are willing to take risks. When the price of their current trade rises, these traders close the position to profit. The best aspect is that you can trade Bitcoin at your leisure 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. While investing in Bitcoin, you have the option of using one of 4 trading strategies. Day trading, also known as intraday trading. Day trading occurs when investors purchase and sell a position within a single trading day. The main advantage of day trading is that you don't have to pay overnight funding fees on your position. Bitcoin hedging. This is a risk mitigation approach in which you take an opposite position that you have already purchased. When the market is moving against you, this form of trading is generally used. Trend trading. Those who practice trend trading choose a position that corresponds to the current trend. If the trend is bullish, for example, you will choose to invest for the long term, whereas if the trend is bearish, you will prefer to invest for the short term. HODL, buy and hold. This is a method in which you purchase Bitcoins and hold them till their value rises. If you choose to HODL, you must be prepared to make long-term investments and have a lot of patience. Number 6. Micro earnings. It is understandable that micro earnings may not be sufficient to change your fate. Nonetheless, it is a dependable source of money, assisting you in meeting your everyday expenses and lifestyle requirements. Furthermore, supposing you're working with a legitimate PTC website that pays you to open specific websites, click on specific adverts or links, watch movies, or play games. They might compensate you with Bitcoin in that scenario. Although the pay on these websites is not particularly big, it is still one of the quickest ways to get money. ADBTC, CoinPayu, Coinadder, and BTC4ADS are some of the services that pay you in Bitcoins for doing chores and filling out online surveys. Number 5. Lending Bitcoins. Making and accepting payments with Bitcoins has the advantage of not requiring any third-party validation. You will be able to complete transactions without any interruptions. So why not lend money to others by lending them Bitcoins at a profit? Consider it this way. While you aren't attempting to profit from Bitcoin, you are allowing Bitcoin to profit from you. Isn't that fantastic? Many websites, including as Bitbond, Unchained Capital, BTC Pop, and others, can assist you with your loan needs. It is critical to select a reputable lending source. Otherwise, you risk losing all of your Bitcoins. All reputable lending platforms provide interest rates of up to 15% p. 8. Number 4. Earn Bitcoin by becoming an affiliate. You may generate a significant amount of money with Bitcoin by utilizing social media networks. If you want to make money advertising Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency company's products or services and boosting their traffic, you can work as an affiliate for them and receive a commission on each sale. The amount of commission earned is entirely dependent by the number of clients and the volume of sales generated. You may use your social media following to convince and persuade customers to purchase a product or service from your business. You can also make a substantial amount of money by operating affiliate networks that teach people how to make money with cryptocurrency. It is simply necessary to ensure that you join a respectable affiliate network, as no one wants to be associated with spam. An additional step to do in order to promote a product or service is to share the links and web pages on your various social media profiles. Number 3. Accept payments in Bitcoin. Many businesses have begun to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment for their goods and services. Why should you start if other businesses have already done so? Accept Bitcoins as payment and go for it. Accepting Bitcoins as a form of payment is a simple process. If you run a real product business, for example, you can begin accepting Bitcoins by simply posting a modest sign in your showroom or shop. Use a payment merchant or place a banner on your homepage if you're running an online business. Integrating Bitcoin into your payment ecosystem, in any form, opens up a whole new world for you. The best aspect is that it will protect your payment while also speeding up the procedure. Furthermore, you can receive payments from anywhere in the world, and it is completely hassle-free. To receive Bitcoins as payment, all you need is a Bitcoin wallet. As a result, it eliminates the need for a third party to process payments and helps you avoid losses. Number 2. Buy and hold Bitcoins. Many people trust in formulas that are easy to understand. Purchasing a commodity at a cheap price, holding it till the iron becomes hot, the price rises, and then selling, retaining it. This is the method that most long-term investors take. Obtain a Bitcoin wallet in order to purchase Bitcoins. Invest, hold, and sell, at the correct moment. If you believe the price of Bitcoins will rise in the future, you can invest and buy some Bitcoins, then sell them when the price rises and profit. This strategy is not like short-term investments in that you may need to hold them for a long time because they are not bound to extravagant expectations. You should, however, be aware of the best time to sell. Bitcoin can also be used to invest in companies, organizations, blockchain, startups, development, and so forth. However, before making research-intensive investments, it is critical to assess a company's potential by looking at market demand, expert comments, white papers, and other sources. You might be able to find a treasure trove this way. Number 1. Mining. It's one of the most effective ways to make a lot of money using Bitcoin. Solving cryptographic riddles and contributing new blocks to the Bitcoin blockchain network can earn you a lot of money. There are 2 forms of mining. Personal mining. Individuals engage in this type of mining for their own gain and benefit. Because of its widespread acceptance, Bitcoin is considered to be one of the most difficult cryptocurrencies to mine. Bitcoin's supply is limited compared to the demand for the cryptocurrency. As a result, after estimating the electricity and maintenance costs, you may find yourself having to work quite hard in order to generate a substantial amount of money. Cloud mining. Because cloud mining has no recurrent charges and no growing electricity costs, it is the preferred method of mining for most people. The contract just demands a single payment at the time of signing. It is also not necessary to purchase any software or hardware to take advantage of this offer. Thus, it has evolved into a fantastic alternative to personal mining because you still receive a share of the action. Your earnings are solely decided by the plan you choose as well as the quantity of electricity consumed at the facility where the cloud mining service is situated, among other factors. It is not necessary to leap into the pool and put your money into a mining company before you have the necessary knowledge and skills. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments area below. Thank you for being with us. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thank you for watching How to Make Money Top 10 video channel.